What's up guys, today I'm going to be cleaning my AC with something called the kool-it foam cleaner, and I'm going to be following up with the AC Bomb by Meguiar's. Now this I think is just a mask for odor. To actually clean it, we're going to be using this today. My car is the F30 generation BMW, and on Beamer posts some users have suggested using the tube found on here, disconnecting this and then inserting the foam cleaner through this tube. That can reach the evaporator coil. I also went ahead and removed the cabin filter. I did check this about a month ago and it still looked brand new, but after having a wildfire in my city, some of those ashes may have gone into here. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean this with compressed air just in case. When I first tried putting it in there, it came with this plastic tip. Once you remove this plastic is much more flexible and bendable. And I just started pumping this through. I'm gonna check underneath the car. All the liquids and foam have escaped through the AC drain. For about 15 minutes, it says to run the fan on low setting. Fresh air mode. When I first turned these on, they had no musty smelling, so I believe this worked. But I do want to note that this does cause cancer, so stay out of your car when you do run this. Last step of this process, I'm going to use the Meguiar's AC Bomb. Here's the spray can. It says to run the AC fan on the highest setting. Let's go and do that. Set that to circulation only.